More than 100 years ago, during the Depression years, in a little American town, a humble family began making candy to supplement their family income. They began experimenting with marshmallow and chocolate to form a new treat that would become a delicious candy bar and proved to be a successful candy adventure, loved by thousands, which now today, on these days, is fairly unknown, but still probably pretty good. Introducing the Mallow Cup. I haven't tried it. I don't know if it's any good, but we're gonna find out right here, right now. As per usual, I'll be rating this candy bar on 4 scales, each worth 5 points up to 20 points. Originality, flavor, chocolate, and appeal, to see how this thing tastes. So, it looks like the Reese's cup. And according to the website, they claim that this was the first cup candy bar. The first cup candy. However, I did some more research and the Reese's is apparently created before this was, so a little bit of a contradiction there. But they were both made around the 20s. Reese's was in the 20s, I believe, and then this was made in the 30s. So they've been around for a long time. And they do look like the Reese's, but there's no peanut butter involved, although the Boyer company, which makes this, does make some peanut butter cups as well. This candy bar has 200 calories per pack, 80 grams of total fat, 40 milligrams of sodium, 30 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. The ingredients entail milk chocolate, corn syrup, sugar, water, coconut, dextrin, egg white, salt, guar gum, natural and artificial flavor, potassium sorbate, marshmallow and chocolate, which are 2 good things. I love the s'more. These could be good on the s'more. There's always something new to put in between 2 graham cracker pieces, you know? Let's put on our best critic glasses and see how this thing tastes. No way! So, I read on their website that they put little coins in, I don't know if I'm sure they were not real coins, but they would put coins in their candy bars and you could redeem them for free candy. And they still have that. The base of this thing has this little point card. You get $2 for every 500 points. So you need to get a lot of these to get a free Mallow Cup, I'm pretty sure. Have fun. Start saving. This is what it looks like as expected. You can see the marshmallow is already kind of leaking out. It's kind of stuck to this wrapper, so I'm not too impressed right now. But who knows how old this candy bar is? I don't remember where I got it or when. But to be fair, candy lasts. Okay, there you go. Alright, so my initial thoughts are, that was pretty tasty. The chocolate was good, and the marshmallow, also good. It's familiar. I think there's like Easter treats that are chocolate covered stuff, right? The marshmallow was good quality. Like, I don't know. No, it wasn't like hard or too sticky or anything. So, yeah, that was tasty. Let's give it some ratings. For our first category, originality, I was thinking 5 stars because I thought it was actually made before the Reese's. But upon further investigation, I'm going to settle with 4 stars for originality. For flavor, I'm going to give it 4 stars. It's a decent flavor. The chocolate and marshmallow go good together, but it's pretty simple and borderline too sweet for me. Just a little bit, so that's why I'm knocking it down to 4. But it's a good flavor. Next category, chocolate. I'm going to give it, again, 4 stars. It was good chocolate. So that's all I have to say about that. And as far as appeal, overall appeal, I think this is going to be a 4 for 4, if you know what I mean. I'm going to give it a 4 on appeal. I'm not a huge fan of marshmallow treats, and that is the primary ingredient in this thing. So it doesn't super appeal to me, but it is tasty and the flavors go good together. I would be interested to try it in a s'more. It also left a little bit of a weird aftertaste in my mouth. Not a taste, but am I allergic to something in it? But anyway, it's a pretty neat snack and I'm glad I tried it. Marshmallow Cup, who knew? So add those together, you get for 16 out of 20. It fares well, it's pretty unique, and it tastes good. It was well executed. So wouldn't say it's one of my favorite snacks, but it's worth a try. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for joining me. Don't be afraid to try something new. And as always, have a good day. And remember to smile. They began experimenting with marshmallow and chocolate to form a new treat that would succeed and bring in millions of money from a crust, sell it to people, and they would eat it and enjoy it. And that treat, which is now mostly unknown today but could be good, who knows, is now the Mallow Cup. They began experimenting with marshmallow and chocolate to form a new treat, which became a very successful business venture for them and their family. It was loved by millions, and to this day is mostly unknown, but it does exist. It's called the Mallow Cup, introducing marshmallow in chocolate. Let's see how it tastes right after this.